Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to your social studies class. Let's continue our lesson in civics. Lesson number 1, Understanding Diversity. And the topic which we are going to read today is religious diversity, cultural diversity, and what does diversity add to our lives. So let's start with religious diversity. Children, as you all know, India has been home to various religions from olden times. The oldest religion of India is Hinduism. Other main religions that thrive in India are Islam, Christianity, Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism, and Zoroastrianism. Our constitution declares that India is a secular country where all its citizens enjoy right to freedom of religion as a fundamental right. Now the next topic which we are going to start is cultural diversity. Cultural diversity means the existence of variety of cultural or ethnic groups within a society. Now, children, as you all know, people living in different regions of India speak different languages. They have different types of food and celebrate different festivals. There are 22 languages listed in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution. Now the last topic which we are going to read is what does diversity add to our lives? Children, diversity adds variety to our life and enriches it significantly. It teaches us to be open-minded and tolerant. It helps us evolve as better human beings because we respect people with different religious beliefs, viewpoints, customs, and cultures. Now, as you all know, it is amazing that in spite of all geographical, economic, or religious differences, we Indians share some strong similarities. The vastness of our country or physical barriers have never been able to discourage the movement of people from one part of the country to another. Unity was exhibited clearly during the struggle for independence from the British rule. Thousands of Indians from various parts of the country and from diverse cultural backgrounds fought against the British exploitation of India and finally forced them to leave our country. Thus, by coming together, the Indians demonstrate how, despite being different, they constitute one nation. Unity in diversity surely defines India appropriately.